1, 2, 3, grabando.
Hi guys, welcome back to my grandma's channel, and today I'm gonna be making a really simple makeup tutorial with simple things, like very tiny things, not like a bunch of things. And so yeah, let's get started with the makeup tutorial. So the first thing I want to do is, you have to make sure your face is nice and clean. So what I want to do is I'm going to grab this thing that artists use to put their paints on. What we're going to be using this light cream concentrate. It's something like that. Concentrate. It's like this really nice cream that makes your face nice and soft. And we could only add a little bit, so I'm going to add it in one of these little dots. Okay, so that's how much I'm going to be using. And let me show you the product. Okay, so that is the product. For foundation, here it is. And so yeah, so I'm going to get really not that much deep in there. So let's grab that. And what I always do, I add little dots in each section of my face. So I add some here, add some here, add some here, add some here, add some there, add some here, add some here, and add some there. Sections of my face, and sometimes through my neck. So here, 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 forehead, here, and right there. Then I'm gonna mix it all. I'm gonna take some off of the brush, like that, and I'm just gonna start blending in with my brush. This is like the same thing putting foundation, nothing different. The only difference is what you're using in your face, which is cream. And some of you have been asking, what does this cream does? So this cream, it makes your face softer when you're putting on the makeup. And it also makes that glowy. Some people use other things to make your face a lot more glowy, but I'm not like a person that likes putting a lot of glowy in it. So now that it's gone, what I'm going to be using, this really rare brush that almost all makeup people in YouTube use to blend in. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go like this all over my face. This makes it blend in more and a lot more softer. Okay, so now I'm done with the cream. Next, what we're gonna be using is an airbrush face makeup from Sally Hansen. So this is the product. So you may have seen these in like those tutorial people that they use, like they spray and but this one is not like this. You have to go like and very little. And we're gonna do the same thing, adding in each section of your face, your beautiful face. Everybody has a nice and beautiful face. So let me show you how it is. So easy peasy, just like that. And what I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using the same brush we used for the cream. And we're gonna blend all of that foundation. Make sure you go under your eyes. Then, when I'm done with all of that, I'm gonna use a beauty blender. There's like these little sponges, and I'm gonna use the bottom part right here. Don't use the beauty blender like that, like scratching out like this. That is not how you use a beauty blender or a little sponge for makeup. You have to dip in like that, so like this. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna go with your eyebrows a little bit like that. Get that whole thing in there. Under my eyes. This is a lot of work here, guys. Okay, so I'm done. Done. Okay, now we're done with that. And again, we're gonna use the same property we used for the cream. Again, the little big brush, the rear ones, and we're gonna go like that. Some people, I use this, I see them a little bit lot more smaller. I see them blended in with their contour, but for this video, we're not using contour. Okay, perfecto. Next, we're gonna do with the brows. So the only thing we're doing is brushing them. So this is our brush. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna go up like this, like really like that, and like this. And I will show you the next step. You have to make sure you go in every section of, oops, your brows. Okay, so this is right here, the brow that I just finished. Now let's go with my left. Like this. Okay, done with the brows. So next is the eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this Huda Beauty Mua by Obsessionals. So this is a palette, and you could get this palette at Sephora. It comes with a top mirror and the bottom are your nice eyeshadows. Okay, so give that in for just a sec. And I have two brushes I'm gonna use. So one is from e.l.f., which is this one. And this one is, so we're gonna be using both to mix and mix whatever. But just to remind you, I am only using one color eyeshadow from this palette. Open. Okay, and what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna go to corner and go like this. So this is one eye. Now we're gonna go with our next eye. And there it is. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna get this brush and I'm gonna mix it in a little bit, but go like in tiny little circles. Next, I'm gonna go with, again, the Hobo Beauty from It's a Mascara. And again, you could get this in Sephora. And we're gonna go like this. And what I sometimes do, I sometimes hold it there and blink to just get just a little bit more in there. So we're gonna put that there. Oh, and the eyeshadow that I was using, it is a light one. Again, the beginning, I told you that these makeups are really simple, really not that much. So yeah, that's all we're gonna be using. Like this. Then I'm gonna hold it again and blink, like you're doing a wink wink. Okay, perfect. Okay, and now we're gonna do our bottom part. Next, let's do the other eye. There we go, bottom parts now. Next, what we're gonna be going with is for our blush, and this is called a Cooperaciones Beauty Fit. It is the best this is the best blush. It is amazing. And what we're gonna do is go like that. Back and forth, back and forth. Okay guys, so that is it for the blush. And you guys could use this tutorial for back to school, because this is like really simple. So next, I'm gonna use a Paula Dorf lip gloss. Okay, now let's see. So first, what I start, I wet my lips just a little bit and go like that. Then we're gonna get it, and it smells like nice sweet cherry or strawberry. And we're just, what I do, I go dip, 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 dip. Then I go like this. Then I just go like that, like I'm putting normal lipstick without the dot on top. So here you go. Okay, and this is the final look, guys. So I really love how it turned out. I love the brows. I love the spray that we used for the foundation, the airbrush face makeup. It's really nice. Not that much foundation, not that much eyeshadow, not that much lipstick. None of that. It's really, really simple, little by everything, and not that much things that look those professional people do. And some professional makeup artists, like my grandma and like my mom, there are professional makeup artists, and they taught me this makeup. They teach me makeup since I was like, I don't know, let's say since I was born. Makeup was with my life. Makeup is part of my family. Makeup is part of everything about me. I sometimes always have to wear makeup when I go out. Like for the New Year's, I have to wear makeup. I make my own makeup. and all of that. In my house, in my bathroom, I have these 2 palettes that my grandma gave me and a box that looks like this, like the background here, and has full of makeup that my grandma bought me. Makeup is part of my life. I love makeup. And so yeah, let's see. And this is the final look. And so yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my grandma's channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And so yeah guys, bye bye.